So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to get Disney Plus on EE TV Box Pro, install, activate and fix not working. So how to get Disney Plus on EE TV Box Pro? Disney Plus is not officially available on the EE TV Box Pro, so you cannot install or download the app directly on the device. This app store on the EE TV Box Pro is limited and it does not support adding new apps like Disney Plus. Even if you search for the app, it usually will not appear. Method 1 is use a streaming device. You can watch Disney Plus by connecting an additional streaming device to another HDMI port on your TV, such as an Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, Apple TV, or Roku. After connecting, you can install the Disney Plus app on that device and start streaming normally. This is the most reliable and easiest method. Method 2 is use a smart TV instead. If you have a smart TV, you can open the TV's app store, search for Disney Plus and install the app directly on your TV. Turn on your smart TV and connect it to the internet. Open the TV's app store. Search for Disney Plus. Select the app and install it. Open the app and log in with your account. Start streaming your favorite content. Method 3 is use EE Apple TV Box. If you switch to the EE Apple TV Box, you can download Disney Plus from the App Store because it fully supports the app. This is a good alternative if you want an EE supported solution. Connect the EE Apple TV Box to your account or TV. Turn on the device and go to the App Store. Search for Disney Plus, download and install the app. Open the app and sign in. Start watching disneyplus.com. Method 4 is cast from phone. You can open the Disney Plus app on your mobile phone and use the cast or screen mirroring option to stream content to your TV. However, this method may not work perfectly on all EE TV boxes. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Disney Plus app on your phone. Tap the cast or screen mirroring option from control setting or center. Select your TV from the list. Play any video and it will appear on your TV. So how to activate Disney Plus? Open the Disney Plus app on your device, select the login option, enter your email and password. If prompted, note the activation code shown on the screen. Enter the code on the Disney Plus activation website using a browser. Once verified, your device will be activated. After signing, you can start streaming immediately. So how to fix Disney Plus not working? Ensure that you are logged in using the correct email ID where your subscription is active. Restart your device by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging back in. Check your internet connection is working properly. You can check by streaming other programs. Try using a different device if the problem continues. Thank you.